Assalamualaikum viewers. Today I describe about masturbation. That means what is masturbation? As your body sends your mind want to touch and explore it in ways that you have never thought about before. Masturbation is the term used to describe touching or rubbing your genital area for sexual pleasure. There are different ways of masturbation. There is no correct ways. If just masturbate in a ways that feel good to you. Boys often hold the penis at the shaft and move their hands and up and down. Others may want to rub their penis. Girls may like use their finger or rub their vagina or the area around their clitoris. The pleasure feeling experience when masturbating is called orgasm and is felt throughout the body. There are many myths about masturbation. Masturbation is normal physical function. It is natural as going to the bathroom or breathing air. Myth number one: people in relationship don't masturbate. Reality: people masturbate whether they are in a relationship or single. Subject jewel jealous when their partners masturbate because they feel it's setting, or that their partner is masturbating because they aren't good enough. But it's important to understand that people has different level of sexual disorder of the sexual desire. All are totally healthy and normally, and some involve masturbation. Myth number two: excessive masturbation can lead to erectile dysfunction. Reality: doesn't erectile dysfunction doesn't result from masturbation. You may become habitual to that sensation and find it more dysfunction to have non orgasm with your partner. Myth number three: masturbation is not normal part of sexual development. Reality: a study published in JAMA Pediatric that involved more than 800 teenagers aged 14 to 17 found that 74% of boys and more than 48% of girls masturbate. Myth number four: there are no health benefit of masturbation. Reality: somebody think masturbation has many benefits for health. They include better sleep, reduce stress and tension, fewer headache consumption, increase self-esteem, a more youthful appearance and better fitness. There are also number of specific sexual health benefits for women, particularly all over women, including less vaginal dryness and pain reduce. 6. Myth number 5. You can masturbate too much. Reality: masturbation only becomes sexy if you serve as an escape from problem in your relationship. If it begins to affect your health, or if it turns into a submitted for real life experience. Additionally, if masturbation causes physical sharpness, emotional issue, or problem with your relationship, or habitation issue to orgasm, it may be signal to cut back, but very few people ever get to this point. She noticed. Myth number 6. People only masturbate when they are alone. Reality: some people masturbate together and they incorporate masturbation into their sexual repertoires, says Sprite. Some couples enjoy watching each other masturbate, and some like to masturbate themselves to orgasm. After other form of sexual contact, mutual masturbate is also a great way to handshake sex and prevent unwanted pregnancy. That means unwanted pregnancy. Myth number 7. Masturbation will make you go blind. If you can heavy masturbate. Reality: many fight about masturbation such as this one come from back when people believed sex was only procreation, says Swiss. Because masturbation is not for procreation, it was considered problematic. People also believe masturbation could lead to instant tuberculosis, hairy problem, and death. She is obviously one two of those things are true. So, friends, 2 days no more.